5-inch crease. Very deep, very pronounced. This is very difficult due to the amount of metal that is crease on the bottom. I would like to thank everyone for watching. If this is the quality of repair that you're after, if you take pride of your vehicle and you want nothing but the best, you want to keep it away from the paint and body shop, you want it done at the convenience of your home or your job, give us a call. This is Peter with Dent Free Image, 210-744-3464. We're on the web, dentfreeimage.com. Thank you again for watching.